Hey there, Las Vegas. I'm clearly not there with you. Enjoy your 42 degrees today and sunny. Because here in Indiana, it's not pretty. I know most of you are expecting me to be there. Some of you are expecting me to be there. Sorry I couldn't make it, but I wanted to take a little time and explain why. So this space right here on the corner, it says for lease. As of the time that you're watching this, I've signed a lease to take over that space. Now, it's not a laundromat. It is not a laundromat. So why am I missing out on a convention to take over a space and making a video about something that's not a laundromat for a laundromat gathering? I want to explain the deal to you because everything that I negotiated on this place, I learned how to negotiate from Danny D'Angelo and his Laundromat program and his mentorship. Everything that I got from this space is a result of what Danny taught me. So let me tell you about this deal. This is a 10,000 square foot restaurant space. 10,000 square foot. Kitchen, 2 bars, a VIP room in the back with a built-in fireplace, a retail section up front. If you've ever been to a Hard Rock Cafe, you know they also sell shirts and mugs and the hurricane glasses and all the good stuff that's got Hard Rock logos on it. So it's got a retail space in the front of the restaurant. Anything and everything that I would possibly need, I've got it in this space. And I got it for free. Not only am I getting it for free, there are a total of 7 air conditioners in this space, 2 of which need to be replaced. Landlord's doing that for free. That's $40,000 out of his pocket that he's paying for me to move in here. There's a water heater, a boiler system for the water in this space. Another $20,000 to replace it. Landlord's taking care of that for me. So the landlord's paying $60,000. The landlord, out of his pocket, is paying $60,000 to basically make this space everything that I need it to be. Not only is he paying $60,000, here's the kicker. This is what Danny D'Angelo taught me, what I learned from him. Landlords will give you money to open your business. They will give you money to open your business. This landlord is giving me $280,000, over $250,000, giving me this money to open the doors in this space. On top of the $60,000 to fix what needs to be fixed, he's giving me $280,000 to put into my business to open the doors in this space. Now, why would he do that? And this is what I learned from Danny. I never would have imagined this would be possible if not for him. Never would have imagined it. What I learned from Danny, what Danny taught me, is to think bigger. We think generally in terms of residential leases, where you're paying $1,000 a month for rent to live in a 2-bedroom apartment somewhere, you know, and you only sign a 1-year lease, so the landlord's getting $12,000 out of you before you move out. My rent is $33,000. Yeah, $31,000 a month. It's $33 a square foot. $31,000 a month, and it's a 20-year lease. Now, if you do that math, that's $400,000 approximately a year that this landlord is getting out of me. So, why would he give me $300,000 plus after fixing the equipment? Because he's going to make it back within the first year of me paying rent. So not only is he giving me over $250,000, there's one more aspect to this, giving me $250,000 to take over this space and open it up. Not only is he paying the $60,000 out of his pocket to fix what needs to be fixed in this space. But he's also giving me 8 months of free rent, a baited rent, no charge for 8 months. That's 8 months of pure profit coming into me, with the exception, of course, of if you're in business, you know there's going to be payroll, there's going to be COGS, there's going to be all that good stuff. But rent free for 8 months. Never in my life would I have ever thought that I would be renting a $30,000 a month space in the middle of Indianapolis, Indiana, and getting free rent for it. Absolutely insane. I can't speak highly enough of Danny D'Angelo. I can't speak highly enough of, the people that he's introduced me to, you good people in Vegas. I want you guys to learn as much as you can. Listen to the Williford brothers, Brandon, Investment Joy, following Keenan. These guys, just working with these guys has been absolutely amazing. And Danny D'Angelo has facilitated all of my education when it comes to this stuff. It's just mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing the possibilities. Once you open your mind and you learn from these people, the possibilities are endless, absolutely endless. So I wanted to take a moment, and I wanted to thank you, Danny D'Angelo. I want to thank you for not only helping me with, gaining what I've gained and learning what I've learned. I want to thank you for facilitating the education that you facilitate. And, thank you to Brandon for all of your content. Even I learned from it. I learned from you. I learned from, following Keenan, Williford brothers. You guys are all, I learned from all of you guys. And I can't tell you what an amazing journey I've had ever since I've been following you guys. Just the amount of content, the amount of education is it's outstanding. So I want to thank you guys. I want to thank everybody for going to Vegas, for making it to Vegas. I'm sorry I can't be there. I've got 30 days to get the doors open here. Lease signing is actually the day I should have been flying out to come to Vegas. So sorry I couldn't make it. Opportunity was knocking, and I would have been a fool to not answer the door. So I want you guys to sit back, enjoy your trip to Vegas. I'm jealous. It's snowing here. It's cold. Just learn everything that you can. And Danny D'Angelo, I love you. You're my brother. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me and you continue to do for laundromat owners and just business owners in general. It's amazing. Don't stop. So I love you guys. Enjoy your trip. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can always find me at Hot Dogging with Dan on YouTube. Email me at dalbrand, that's DAHLBRAND at gmail.com, or just find me on Facebook, Daniel Albrand. I'm not that difficult to find. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out. I'm an open book to anybody who's interested. So enjoy your trip to Vegas, and hopefully I will see you guys next year.